Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view contact stored in Google account on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Whether you are using a computer, Android device, or even an iPhone, accessing your contact stored in your Google account is a breeze, allowing you to effortlessly view, edit, and manage your contact information from anywhere. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Play settings on your device. Okay, so now scroll down, and then you can choose Google option. Well, and then click Manage your Google account option. Okay, so in this page, slide please to the People and Sharing menu. Okay, and then select Contact here. Well, and here will be there all of contacts stored in your Google account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view contacts stored in your Google account on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.